All right, welcome back to the workshop. We're going to be working on a Craftsman T240. This is a 46-inch mowing deck, and thought I'd go ahead and just make a quick one here, see if we can't figure out what's going on. The pulley has come off of it. I've cleaned up a little bit back under here, but the pulley is, I can't even tell which side of it's the front side and the back side. It's so wore out, and I don't know if somebody had it on wrong or whatever to start with. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get the routing and everything down and show you what's going on with that. We'll start out. We're going to have to take these covers off, so I get to those. There's one on both sides, and hopefully that's about all we'll have to do. Might have to get this one here, this little idler pulley off of there, enough to get the belt behind that. This one here looks like it's about the same thing. So let me see how far we have to go. We'll kind of update you and then show you what the routing is. It does show us here the basic routing of it. Shouldn't be too bad. So, and it's got to go up and be attached up onto your pulley here. So that's what we're going to work on. Let's see if we can kind of get you an idea of what we have to do. All right, we have gone ahead and removed the little covers here. I've removed 2 screws. The other one just kind of let it slide out. Looks like somebody fought with that one back in there anyway, so I might try to get that out for them. Put some new ones in. Did that on both sides, and just got those out. And then the belt, if you break the belt, then you don't have to worry about doing the removing it too much. But let's see if I can show you what this is here. I always like to take these when I get done, my new belt, stretch them out, make sure they're about the same length. And according to the manuals and all, this one looks like it's the right one. This is a 1/2 inch by 108.3 inches. Now, why they have to have a belt 0.3 inches is beyond me. But then as you look at this belt, you can tell it's no good. It's almost rounded over. You can't tell which side is actually the flat side and which one's the V side. They both look V. So we're going to go ahead and ditch that one for sure. And then we're going to go ahead and take and see if we can show you how to get this in. Now, I was able to take this one here. Is going to be our spring loaded one. So that's where we're going to turn it on and off. We'll have to move that one out of the way. That's what puts the tension on the belt and that type of thing. So this one's going to come over here, attach. And according to this, it should go around the back side of that. So we'll have the belt coming around this way, goes behind this one, and then up to the front. So let's see how we can make that work. We'll kind of start by setting her in here. Should go around that pulley on the back side. Hopefully I'm not getting in the way of my camera. Goes around on this side, and it's supposed to come around that side. This one should come around on this side, and then this will go up to the front just like that, if you can see that. And then for me, I want to get my little screwdriver again, and we're going to just kind of pry that in. I was able to do this before. You can probably see here that little thing there. You can take that pulley off, and I wouldn't put a lot of pressure on there, but you can kind of push that a little bit. It'll pop right in there. This one here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that either, but kind of just squeeze it out a little bit. You don't want to bend it really. You just want to kind of pry it enough, just enough to get that belt in. And then that will in turn come up, and I don't know if you can see this end up here. So see if we can get you in there. That's got to go in through this little bracket here somehow. Get it around that one and enough around here. And that should have us in place. So that's the way it shows it. Now, if we engage the blade, I believe this is what it looks like when you engage it. Pulling the lever here and locking it in. That should have it nice and tight. Now, all these pulleys seem to be snug. You don't want to have them rattling around. Make sure you check those while you're under here. Which all these look good. I think that's all we needed. So we should be good. That's really all there is to it. We'll go ahead and put our covers back on here. Let's see if we can We'll put the screws back to that. We'll fire it up. Let's see how she runs. That really wrapped it up. We got the covers back on it. Went ahead and fired it on up, and it's working fine. It cut a little bit of grass out there, so I think we're ready to send this one on back. Now they'll catch up on some of that lawn mowing that's been needed from all the rain and all. I did clean it up a little bit. It was quite a dirty little lawnmower when he brought it up here, but hey, I want to say thank you to my Super Clean. That stuff, spray it on, hose it off, makes them look brand new when you're done. So anyways, we'll wrap this little video up. It isn't a very big one, but hopefully if you have this one. The MTD, I think, is basically the same one, and there's several of them that pretty much all have the same mower, the same build on it. Everything's the same. I'll try to set a link from on the belt number and all in the description below if you need that. So anyways, thanks for checking it out. Please hit that like and subscribe if it's helped you out a little bit, and any comments are more than welcome, and we'll catch you on the next project.